Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. On today's video, let's make this classic vegetable soup. It's so easy and very simple to make. Vegetable soup is one of those soup that is so comforting and so filling. And it will also make you cozy, more so in this cold weather of July. And it doesn't make you feel so full. And if you are struggling to lose some weight, try this recipe. It will help you to shed some pounds. Without further ado, let's just get started. These are some of the ingredients I will be using. I will start by prepping my green ingredients. And for today, I will not prepare like everything and set aside. No, today we are working on it as we go. So remove the stem of green beans, then chop them into your desired size. Mine will not be too small because I'm going to mix them with frozen peas. You can buy the pre-prepped one. They're there in the supermarkets. Once done, I'll set them aside to create this working space on my cutting board. I'll go ahead and peel my carrots. By the way, I'm used to peeling the carrots, but I'm told that most of the nutrients around this outer peel I'm doing away with. You can as well not peel yours. Maybe one time if I grow mine, I will start to cook them all like that. But for now, I don't trust where they came from, or I don't even know, I'm not sure for how long they've been in the store. So I just need to peel them. I'll cut them and shape them into cubes. Guys, it's your first time coming across my video and you like what you are seeing, kindly consider subscribing. Press that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Support this channel, help me grow, and watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. And like I said, today I'm just going to multitask everything. It's not like the normal content that I prepare everything at once, then I start frying. So for today, once I'm done with this, I'm going to blanch my vegetables as I continue with preparing the rest of the ingredients. So here is my water. I'll add some bicarbonate soda and salt. I like my veggies to retain their natural color. That is why I blanch them using bicarbonate. And I'm already on my potatoes. I'll just peel them well as I wait for my water to get hot before adding my vegetables, and that is the carrots and the green beans. But then this is how I normally cook when I'm out of camera. It makes you so busy. Instead of just peeling everything, preparing everything, and just waiting for everything to get ready before you start your cooking. I like it this way, it's quite engaging. My water is ready, and just added my vegetables. It will blanch here for like 3 or 4 minutes. It doesn't need to boil. Back to my potatoes. Also, these ones, I will cut them into cubes, not too small. I will transfer them in a bowl of water so that it doesn't change color as I continue working on these other ones. I hope you find this content useful and give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, your family, and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. It's been 5 minutes. Let me check on my veggies. It's ready. Once it starts boiling up, just remove it and drain all the water. Discard this water and rinse it thoroughly in a running water to remove all the bicarbonate, soda, and also to stop it from cooking further. Transfer it to a clean bowl and keep it aside. I'll go ahead and dice my onions into small pieces. I'll also use celery. I have one stalk. I'm going to finely chop it. You cannot go wrong with celery when combined with onions in a soup. It adds a cozy flavor base in any soup that it's added to. Therefore, this is a plus. If you're trying this recipe, don't miss out the celery. In my pan, I've added oil and it's ready, and going in with my onions. I'll go ahead and add my celery and stir it a little bit. Leave it to saute for a minute, and as I wait, I'm on with my tomatoes. Like I mentioned earlier, today is just multitasking. It's making my work easier. Checking on my onions. It's time to add in my garlic, crushing garlic. I normally add my garlic at this point because I don't want it to get burned. I'll stir it, then I'll add my spices. I have turmeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and cumin powder. Of course, some herbs there, that is thyme. Let it cook for 1 minute before adding your tomatoes. Adding tomatoes, give it a good mix. Cover your pot and let the tomatoes cook until they are soft enough. I'm adding some salt and some tomato paste and some all seasoning flavor. I will leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. It's time to add the potatoes. Make sure you wash your potatoes until the water runs clear. Then add it and saute it in your spices. Let it infuse the flavors before adding your water. Fill in your pot with water and don't use hosepipe here, please. My sisters from the hills, I know by this time your ancestors are whispering in your ear. Don't try that here. Once the potato is fox tender, add in the vegetables. I will also add frozen peas. I had the frozen peas with me. Give it a good stir. At this point, I will cover it partially, adding chili because I like my vegetables to stay in their natural color and also allow my vegetables crispier. I will squeeze my lemon, one lemon, and my vegetable is ready here. I'll just turn off the heat Then add in some lemon juice, that is about 2 tablespoons, and garnish with coriander. Ensure at this point your flame is off. My vegetable soup is looking so lovely and it's very healthy. Look at it. Thanks for watching this video up to this end. It was nice having you around. I hope you try this video, and if you try it, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next. And if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, trust me, if you try this recipe, you will be making your soup, vegetable soup like this every day. And also, the advantage with this, all the ingredients are found locally and it's very healthy and good for vegetarians. This soup is awesome, so sweet. I enjoyed mine with some brown chapati. See you in my next one. Bye bye.